We've just seen how to postpone dealing with exceptions by using throws. In this video, we'll look at how to handle exceptions using the try-catch block. The try-catch block is used to handle exceptions that are thrown in a try block. Here's what the syntax of a try-catch statement looks like. Code that might throw an exception is put in the try block. If the exception is thrown in the try block, the program immediately jumps to the associated catch block, which can then handle the exception. If the exception doesn't get thrown, execution continues after the catch block after completing the try block. Here's how we can update our example in IntelliJ. I'm going to get rid of the throws class here, and instead I'm going to surround this with a try-catch block. So first I'm going to put a try around this one. And then I'm going to catch the file not found exception. I'm going to call it E. And then in here I'm normally would do some logging, but I'm just going to say file not found. And right now we know the file is not found. So instead of going to go ahead and have the throws file not found exception declared on the main and then crashing our program, we're now actually just printing the message file not found. And as you can see, there's no red on our program. Our program actually just continues to execute code afterwards, which it wasn't done before either. So right now it's just going to print done and carry on after the catch block with the normal flow of the program. This is the main advantage of using try-catch blocks. Instead of crashing the program can continue execution after the catch block. We can also add a finally block to our try-catch. This is typically used to clean up any resources. The finally block is always executed, whether or not an exception was thrown. So, for example, if we needed to close the file reader, we can do this in the finally block in IntelliJ. You can use multiple catch blocks to handle different types of exceptions, each with its own handling code. We'll see an example of this when we're dealing with files in the next module. We'll skip the details on this for now. You'll run into them when you need them. For now, just know that code that may throw an exception is in the try block. And if the code indeed throws that exception, whatever is in the associated catch block will be executed to deal with the exception, so that afterwards a program can continue. That's it for this video on handling exceptions using the try-catch block. In the next video, we'll look at how to handle exceptions using the try with resources statement.